I got myself a core set 2019 with Nicol Bolas. It's 2023, why do you have a set 4 years old? Well, guess what? Too bad. I felt like getting this, I feel like opening it. Yeah. I'm not hoping for any specific card pull for this set. I'd be happy with any Planeswalker because who doesn't like a Planeswalker card? But either way, the top 10 TCG player cards right now for value would be Resplendent Angel at $42, Nicol Bolas the Ravager at $24, Crucible of Worlds $21, Scapeshift $21, Sarkhan Dragon Soul $21, Omniscience at $13, Sarkhan Fireblood at $10, Liliana the Necromancer at about $9, Ijani Wise Counselor at about $7.50, Goreclaw Terror of Cal Sisma $5, and the bonus 11th one is Goblin Trashmaster. He is a personal favorite of mine at $4.50. So I definitely am hoping to pull any one of these 11 cards, but I would be especially happy if I just get any sort of Planeswalker, because I just think Planeswalker cards are cool beans. I'll save going through the entire player guide at the end of the video. They're still using the original quick reference from Kaladesh. Oh my. Pack of lands, I'll go through these at the end of the video. 10 booster packs, it's 2 of each colored Planeswalker. Ijani, Tezzeret, Liliana, Sarkhan, and Vivian. So first pack, we got Dwarven Priest, Cancel, Hostile Minotaur, Knight's Pledge, personal favorite, Infernal Scarring, Giant Spider, another personal favorite, Explosive Apparatus, Luminous Bonds, Sky March Bloodletter, Wall of Vines, Blanchwood Armor, this is very nostalgic for me, and OP, Suspicious Bookcase, Hieromancer's Cage, and for our first rare, Magistrate's Scepter. Remove 3 charge counters, take an extra turn after this one. I hate these cards. Black Swamp, Thopter Token from Kaladesh. Pack number 2, Tezzeret, Onaki Ogre, Mighty Leap, love this artwork, Cancel, Sure Strike, another personal favorite of mine, Bog Stomper, Greenwood Sentinel, another personal favorite, Vampire Neonate, Aven Windmage, Star Crowned Stag, Centaur Courser, for our mythic rare, Gift of Paradise, not bad, Aerial Engineer, Herald of Faith, and our next Valiant Knights. Other knights get +1 and knights get double strike. Ooh, nice, Goblin Token. Thing I like about these core sets is just the nostalgic reprints for me. I remember a lot of these cards in 2012. 2012 was when I got into Magic. Revitalized. Uncomfortable Chill. I freaking love this picture, man. The cold slowed their movements until only their panicked eyeballs swiveled beneath the ice. Ugh. What especially cracks me up is these 2 goblins are on another card called Goblin Negotiators or something like that, and it's just hilarious. I hope we see these 2 pop up on more cards. Catalyst Elemental, Hired Blade, Talons of Wildwood, Walking Corpse, Snapping Drake, Gearsmith Guardian, Druid of Cowl, another favorite, Smelt, Infernal Hellion as our first uncommon, Militia Bugler, Lightning Strike, and Infernal Reckoning. Exile target colorless creature, you gain life equal to its power. Submerge Boneyard, and a Beast creature token. Yes, another Uncomfortable Chill right off the bat. Whether or not I actually use this card, I just love the thought and picture of this. Rustwing Falcon, Disperse, another Giant Spider, Epicure of Blood, Field Creeper, that is pretty creepy, man. If you saw a thing running at you, Colossal Dreadmaw, Essence Scatter, Naturalize, Volley Veteran, another fan favorite of mine. I don't know if you can tell, but I do like my goblins. Exclusion Mage, Siegebreaker Giant, and Spit Flame. I don't usually run dragon decks, so not really useful for me. A Hollow Root Snare, pretty cool. Token Zombie, I personally like my red-green cards. So any of the other 3 colors don't create a big deal for me. Gearsmith Prodigy, Rustwing Falcon, Tolarian Scholar, Act of Treason, Mind Rot, Daggerback Basilisk, Strangling Spores. This is another personal favorite card of mine. 4 mana is a bit expensive in today's standards. I feel like it should be -5 to meet with today's standards. But I do love the picture. Totally Lost. I always crack up when I see people in MTG Arena have this as their avatar. Another Colossal Dreadmaw. Explosive Apparatus, Rupture Spire, not bad. Stitcher's Supplier, definitely must have in graveyard decks. Mirror Image, another copying creature card, and Dragon's Horde. Remove a gold counter and draw a card. Red mana and a soldier token. Got me 2 dragon rares. Okay, so that's half of the packs. Let's try pack number 6. Ooh. Oh, is this one opening like the good old days? Almost. I love opening packs nicely on the top like this. Divination, Act of Treason, Daybreak Chaplain, 2-headed zombie, oh my, Rock's Oracle, Macabre Waltz, another personal favorite artwork, Elvish Rejuvenator, another Naturalize, another Strangling Spores, sweet, Novus Knight, Blanchwood Armor, Vigilant Baloth, 6th rare, ooh, Bone Dragon. Definitely for some sort of graveyard deck. He's pretty expensive, and you have to exile 7 other cards from your graveyard. But he could go straight to the battlefield. And now a Hollow Swamp. Oh, a bonus land, Goblin Token. Pack number 7. Starting off, Act of Treason, Daybreak Chaplain, Scholar of Stars, Tormenting Voice. This picture kind of cracks me up. I just imagine him going like, ah! All throughout the night, waking up all his neighbors. Duress. Hate this freaking card. I don't run black, so whenever I get that used against me, oh, rage. Luminous Bonds. Vampire Neonate. Love the art and idea of this card. Make a Stand. Declare Dominance. Rare number 7. Goblin Trashmaster. Nice. Bonus card number 11. Perfect for my Goblin deck. Sweet. Plains and another token. Pack number 8. Down to the last 3. Still haven't made it to the top 10 list, but I did get the bonus 11th card. 3 more chances. Dwarven Priest, Cancel, Titanic Growth, Infectious Horror, Walking Corpse, Snapping Drake, Gearsmith Guardian, Druida the Cowl, Smelt, Lich's Caress, Inferno Hellion, Regal Bloodlord, Gutter Snipe, another personal favorite, and Goreclaw, Terror of Kyle Sisma. Okay, slowly going up. This is one of the top 10. Got my Goblin Trashmaster and now Goreclaw. And they're red-green, my 2 favorites. Token Creature Bat, and a Stone Quarry. Pack number 9, got another Sarkon. That one almost opened nicely. Tolarian Scholar, Onaki Ogre, Oakenform, Dune Dissenter, Pegasus Courser, Field Creeper, Aviation Pioneer, Vashino Pyromancer. See this guy quite a bit. Rabid Bite, Sovereign Bite. That's pretty funny. 2 bite cards, one after the other. I'd much rather get bitten by this dude. And another Volley Veteran. Nice. Gravedigger, Exclusion Mage, and oh, what's this? Oh, what is that? How do you say that? Phylactery Lich? Indestructible Zombie. I'm unfamiliar with this one. Elf Warrior Token. Down to our last one. Kinda hoping for any sort of Planeswalker card. But let's see what our last Vivian luck can give us. Daybreak Chaplain, Scholar of Stars, Plummet, 2-headed Dragon, Lich's Caress, Manalith. Take Vengeance. Ghost Form. Electrify. Walking Corpse. Now we got Druid of Horns. Ravenous Harpy. Horizon Scholar. And... What? Is that a goat? Is that a goat? Transmogrifying Wand. Remove a charge counter, destroy a creature, its controller creates a 2/4 white ox creature. So that's an ox. What sounds do ox make? That's the sound I make. And another Thopton Toker. Alrighty. So nothing quite spectacular in this pack. These are my top 2 pulls for my personal self. This is the mythic rare of the pack. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to start posting more Magic the Gathering unboxing videos on my channel, so you can subscribe if you'd like to watch it. So be sure to give me a like if you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. And for all you losers out there with no lives, I'm gonna go through this entire pack of land cards. Basic Plain, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plain, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plain, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp, Basic Mountain, Basic Forest, Basic Plains, Basic Island, Basic Swamp. So, you want to look at the player's guide, huh? Claim the power of the core set. It's the first core set since they said they were canceling core sets since Magic Origins. But I guess they realized the core sets are the best for new players to get into the game. So you can read more about it there. We got a Dwarven dude. I do like the idea of the core set having a nice, like, variety, especially for newcomers. Oh, I forgot there was Planeswalker decks. Wish I picked up some of these back in 2019. I'm gonna see if I can find any of those nowadays. The Elder Dragons, talking about Nicol Bolas. Wow. Dedicated pages talking about Nicol Bolas. And we got some more legendary dragons. Talking about the planeswalkers and the colors. Got white. Wait, did they skip blue? Oh no, I skipped blue. Got Ayani for whites. Tezzeret for blue. Liliana for black. Sarkon for red. Vivian for green. These are the creators' top 10. Obviously, Nicobolus the Ravager. Unfortunately, I didn't get. Planeswalkers. Oh, Bone Dragon was one of theirs. Gigantosaurus. Cleansing Nova. Crucible of Worlds. I actually think I read that this card hasn't been reprinted for years until this 2019 set. Tap into Greatness. And I actually love these. I wish this came with every set's bundle pack, which I think it used to, but I think they stopped printing these books nowadays, which is unfortunate. Definitely saves a lot of paper, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't give a crap about this book. But for the very few losers out there like me, I enjoy having a quick flip through of every card in the entire set. Ooh. No freakouts in this video. I didn't pull Nicobolus or Planeswalker. And then here are the exclusive Planeswalker deck cards. And then they ended off with some promos. And look how happy these people are. Your neighborhood magic meetup. You can definitely tell these are just three boys trying to impress this one girl. Girl, how do I get her to like me? Thanks for watching.